SPTechCon is coming to Boston again in September 2014 with lots of fresh new SharePoint content. This conference is the biggest independent SharePoint conference in the world outside of Microsoft's own SharePoint conference. The benefit of that is that you get straight talk from SharePoint experts without the marketing pitch. Let's check out the website to see what will be presented at the conference. So under the Program tab, if you go to Tutorials, you see all the half-day and also full-day tutorials that will be presented there. Now if I wanted to filter to see a specific speaker, I can go ahead and pick from this list. I'm going to go ahead and choose Andrew Connell and see what he's presenting at this conference. So as you can see, he's doing a full-day tutorial on the cloud development ramp-up, how to go to the cloud if you need to from your on-premise deployment. Now going again in Program tab and going to Technical Classes, you see all the classes which are usually about an hour and 15 minutes each. You can also use filters here to pick a specific speaker, level, or an audience. For example, I'll go ahead and pick on my own name here, Asif Rahmani, and you can see these sessions that I'm doing at this conference. Now if I go ahead and reset the filters, I can go ahead now and pick the audience, for example, business decision makers, and see what content is specifically targeted for them at this conference. In addition to the technical classes, you can also see under the Program tab there's special events that are supposed to take place. And those events are things such as lightning talks, meet up with the SharePoint experts, book signings, and also networking receptions where you can meet other folks who have similar interests. You'll also find the full schedule of all that's happening at the conference from September 16 all the way to September 19th, providing many opportunities to interact with the fellow peers and also learn from renowned SharePoint experts. Heading back to the homepage, you'll also notice that by coming to this conference, you get a certificate of completion. This certificate certifies that you have completed successfully 23 hours of SharePoint training at SPTechCon conference. To start the registration process, click on the Register Now button. Start by filling out the name, email address, and also the registration type. Click on Next. On this next page, fill up the CC email address, company information, and the social media addresses. Then fill in the content information, additional information. Also answer the question if you would like to receive a formal certificate of completion after attending the conference. I'm going to choose yes. A few more questions here about how did you hear about this event, and also you can specify if you've attended this event before. On the bottom of the screen, take this opportunity to let other folks know who can benefit from this event. Click on Save and Next. And now comes the part about picking the exact part of the event that you would like to register for. I'm going to go ahead and choose the entire conference plus the pre-conference and click Next. All of my information seems to be good over here. I'm going to check it. And if I would like to add another person, I can do so right here as well. Once done, the last part that's remaining is to make the payment. So on this screen, you would choose a payment method, apply a discount code if you have one, and then click on Finish to finish the registration process. And that's about it. I have now successfully registered for the SPTechCon Boston 2014. I hope to see you there. Thanks for watching.